How to import cookies to Google Chrome. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google. Go to search bar on Google and type in Cookies Bro. You'll find Cookie Bro in Chrome Web Store. Click on the first link that pops up, which is Official Chrome Web Store. Simply click on it and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Add to Chrome and then click on Add Extension. On top, you will find puzzle-like options. Simply click on it and pin Cookie Bro. After that, click on Cookie Bro and then go to Cookie Editor, which is the second last option below Options. In here, if you click on the arrow which is facing left, you will be able to import. After that, you'll be shown your folders. Simply select the folders or simply select file name. Click on open and all your cookies will be imported. This is how to import cookies to Google Chrome. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.